My name is Gideon. I was born in Ireland, but I'm from Oba.
All right.
Joshua, remove that thing from your mouth. Say your own.
Joshua, what's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua who?
Joshua Kobe.
What's your name? Ada who? Ada Kobe. Thank you. And you? Zitife who? Zitife Akobi. All right. Can I hear all of you? Were you born in Nigeria or in the UK?
Nigeria.
You were born in Nigeria. And you? UK. And you? UK. And you? UK. All right. So can I hear you now pray our Lord's Prayer in Igbo? 9 KB, go 1, 2, go. Now, unungunike go amarankonye wa Jesus Christ.
Amarankonye wa Jesus Christ. Amen.
All right. All right. Nezie. Amen. Okay, let us pray now. Everybody close your eyes and I will pray for us.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you that we sing well at church. Thank you that we was being kind at church. We wasn't itching. We thank you that please God bless me and please God make me to stop being sober. Thank you that we thank you that please God bless my family, please God bless my brothers, bless my sisters, bless my brothers, bless my daddy, bless my mommy.
In Jesus' name.
Anywhere I go, I will behave well in Jesus' name.
Amen. Okay, another person pray.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Others, close your eyes. We're praying.
Father, thank you for New Year. Father, thank you for 2017. It was a great year in 2017. So let 2018 be a better year. Father, in 2018, Father, please let us complete our goals, and please bless us, and cover us with your angels anywhere we go. And Father, if we fall, you'll bring us back up. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Another person pray. Zitife pray. Others, close your eyes.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
We thank you that for any New Year, we thank you that on December 25th is Christmas. We thank you that you came to save us on Christmas. We thank you for my mommy and daddy is alive. We thank you for my brothers and sisters are alive. We thank you for my uncle and aunties are alive. We thank you for my grandma and grandmas are alive. We thank you for all the things you do. Forgive us when we do bad things and as we go to sleep, give us sound sleep in Jesus' name.
Amen. Joshua, I pray.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Take it up, take it down. Thank you, God make me to not be a naughty boy. And God make me to not play rough. Make me to behave at school in Jesus' name.
Amen. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Good.